In thermodynamics, entropy is a fundamental concept that quantifies the degree of disorder or randomness in a system. It is a measure of the system's microscopic configurations and their distribution, reflecting the amount of thermal energy in a system that is not available to do work. Entropy plays a crucial role in understanding the behavior of physical systems, particularly in the context of the second law of thermodynamics. Key aspects of entropy and its role in measuring disorder in thermodynamics. Microscopic configurations. Entropy is related to the number of microscopic configurations or arrangements of particles in a system. A system with more possible arrangements has higher entropy, indicating greater disorder. Statistical mechanics. The concept of entropy is closely linked to statistical mechanics, which describes the behavior of a large number of particles based on statistical principles. Entropy is a measure of the statistical likelihood of finding a system in a particular macroscopic state. Boltzmann's entropy formula. Ludwig Boltzmann formulated a mathematical expression for entropy, denoted by the symbol S equals KLN, W, where K is the Boltzmann constant, and W is the number of microscopic configurations corresponding to the macroscopic state of the system. Units of entropy. Entropy is typically measured in units of joules per Kelvin, J, K, in the International System of Units, SI. Change in entropy. The change in entropy, S, of a system is related to heat transfer, Q, and temperature, T, where Q is the heat added or removed from the system, and T is the absolute temperature. Second law of thermodynamics. The second law states that the total entropy of an isolated system tends to increase over time. In other words, natural processes tend to move towards states of higher disorder. Entropy and energy distribution. High entropy implies that energy is distributed in a more disordered and spread out manner, making it less available for performing useful work. Low entropy corresponds to more ordered and concentrated energy. Examples of entropy increase. Processes such as the mixing of gases, diffusion, and the dissipation of heat from a hot object to a colder one result in an increase in entropy. These processes represent the tendency of systems to move towards states with greater disorder. Entropy and irreversibility. Irreversible processes, such as heat flow from hot to cold objects, are associated with an increase in entropy. The increase in entropy is a measure of the irreversibility of such processes. Connection to information theory. Entropy in the context of thermodynamics shares some conceptual similarities with entropy in information theory, where it represents the uncertainty or disorder in a set of data. Understanding entropy is crucial for explaining the behavior of physical systems, predicting the direction of spontaneous processes, and formulating the principles that govern the flow of energy in various natural phenomena. It is a central concept in the field of thermodynamics and has broad implications across different scientific disciplines.